Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to align text and pictures same line in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Then go to the Insert menu. Select the picture drop down menu. Choose this device. Then select a picture from our file. Now I am select this image and click Insert. We can see here we insert a image. Now we want to add text. You can add text into cell, otherwise text box. Now I am go to the insert menu, select text box and draw a text box. Then write anything on the text box. Now I am paste some text. Press Ctrl V on our keyboard or write anything. Now you want to align text and picture on the same line. At first select the multiple object. Select any object, then press and hold the shift and select the multiple object. Go to the shape format menu and select the alignment. Select align top. Now we can see we align text and image on the same line in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.